How to buy with this indicator called YM up down with combined with other indicator. Today is class 2. So welcome to YM channel. This is only for education purpose. So you can see this is my latest indicator called YM up down. So I told you this one they can tell you roughly which area is the start of the up, which area is the start of the down. But I would like you to combine with some other indicator to use together because this is a bonus indicator. I always suggest you to combine some of my other indicators to tell where is the start of the bull market, where's the start of the bear market to give you to save some time for the waiting time, for example, the sideways. Okay, so right now let's have a look. This is weekly chart. So the first thing I would like you to look is YM chip entry. They tell you institution come in where. So for example, here and here, because they have the green candle here. This is the indicator. Every single time it happens, this is the relative low point. And if we combine with this up signal, this is very powerful. Let's say this have the green candle. I know many of you guys want to buy, especially when they have a big drop. But we don't have an up signal yet. And they did not go above the blue. So it's not yet our signal. And if we look at YM chip and YM chip plus, also this pink candle, the candle did not go above this purple line. So basically the fund is not yet strong. Okay, so we wait until here. They have an up signal and they have YM chip entry. This is a very, very powerful signal to tell you, hey, this is the start of the up. You better to get ready or at your position. By the way, this is only I only want to tell you this indicator, the insights. Of course, this is not recommendation. And then you may add your position. At the same time, they go above the blue or red. You can already add your position. So basically, we have three things to combine: the up and the YM chip entry, and also one of this line. So if you're very ambitious investor, you can add with the red. Once they go above the red, you add your position. If you want to be safe, if you want to be more, if you are more laid back style, you may add with the blue. When they go above the blue, you add your position. Another thing I want to mention is YM chip plus, because YM chip plus is a very good indicator to tell you where is the very good point to buy. So once here, when the red line and when the red candle basically go above this purple line, and this purple line is the average of this red line. When this purple line go upward, this means the institution holding is increasing. So this is also one of the combined indicator or signal to tell you, hey, this is a chance to buy. And you can see once you buy, this is the start of the bull. You don't need to wait for this kind of sideways anymore. So this is very powerful. This is weekly chart for YM up down because it's an AI indicator basically. So they calculate with some kind of formula to check where is the start of the up, where is the start of the down, but they did not really tell you exactly where. If you see, for example, the down, they check is here rather than this candle. They check is here rather than this candle. The up, they check here rather than this candle. That's why I say combine with your indicator. If you combine, basically here you can catch really well, here is the start. Because this one, they changed the direction. And this one, they also changed the direction, the red line. But this is not a strong blue one. Why? Because the blue line is not turning upward. So this is an update for this indicator. If you like this indicator, click the description link and you can buy this indicator and other bundle together. So I see you class 3. See you next time. Bye-bye.